Welcome back to Bite-Sized Tech Tips. This video will give you an overview of the original Viking Connect Posts option you can use for communications. Viking Connect offers you two options to create communications, the original posts and the newer Studio Editor. This video focuses on the original posts to communicate with your families, classes, and groups. Let's start by going to Posts and selecting New Post. In this window, you can select who you want to send this to, who should see it, give it a subject, and we're going to stay on this original tab here, Post. And let me start off by typing in some text that we can use. If I go back up to the toolbar here, you can see I have some options. I'm going to highlight my title here. I can bold it, italicize it, I can underline it. If I go to font size here, I can change the font size, make it bigger. Let me highlight this text here so we can look at this option. This says more text. If I click on here, I can strike through. I can change the text color. I can change the background. I'm going to click away so you can see that. And if I wanted to take it back to the original look, I can come up here to clear formatting, this little eraser. And when I do that, it just takes it back to where it was. I'm going to highlight this and let's take a look at a line. So here I can align it to the right, center, left, justify it. I can go to more paragraph, and here I can increase the indent, decrease it. I can make it a numbered list, a bulleted list. I can also change the line height here. Up here, I can add an emoticon if I want to. I can also insert images. If I click on here, I can drop an image here or click and upload from my computer. I can link to an image that lives somewhere online. Same thing with the video. I can either paste a URL here or link to it using the link. I can embed it. I can insert a link. So if I highlight my text and I wanted to make that a link, I can put the link here. I could even change the text here, pick if I want it to open it in a new tab. If I click on the plus symbol here at the top, notice it says more rich. Now this is where you can start adding more elements. So I can insert a table. I can use templates. These are templates that the company Parent Square provides. So let's, for example, pick the first one. 5-Minute Friday will just give us this template here that you can then modify. I can go up here and undo. If you wanted to create your newsletter from scratch, I can go up here and notice that I have design blocks, so I can add logo, header, and so forth. So I have different options if I wanted to create this from scratch. As I said, there's undo, redo, also a code view. So if you wanted to work with HTML, very few people do this, but if you're somebody that wants to do that, it's up here. Just going to go ahead and click to go back to where I was. And then once you're done, you can select your notification options. You have your post options, preview, and you can send it or save it, whatever you want to do, but that's how you use the regular posts. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.